guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another subscription box unboxing. Today we are unboxing our Fab Fit Fun summer box. Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box that you get seasonally, which is quarterly, so you get it 4 times a year. You can pay for it all up front, or you can pay for it with every box that you get, which is what I do now. You get more perks if you pay for everything the whole year up front. You get to choose your things sooner than everybody else does, and you get to choose more items. Your Fab Fit Fun comes with a catalog. It shows all of the items that you could have gotten in the box, along with other stories and whatnot. It's pretty neat. I don't remember the price of the box. I'll list a link, or I'll put stuff up on the screen here to give you some more information. I feel like I didn't get to pick very many things with this box. I got the email pretty much right away in the morning, and by the time I got on, everything was gone, so I couldn't even choose anything. So I think I picked one thing, and then the rest of it I said just surprise me, because my options were null. So that kind of sucked, and that is a perk again about paying all up front. You have a better chance of getting what you're gonna really want and like. The first item in the box is actually, I'm already wearing this. I opened this up to use a specific item, and then I found this in it and I was like, oh, I just want to wear it now. This is a Giving Key necklace. It's the mini collection. Mine, you're not going to be able to see it from there, but on the key engraved really tinily says believe. It's very cute. So it's just a simple silver necklace. I really love it. I've been wearing it for a little while now. But what's cool about these Giving Keys is it goes towards homelessness. It says ending homelessness through employment. Let's find it in the magazine. Wow, they redid their magazines. That's really cool. So this necklace retails for $45. Holy moly, that's an expensive necklace. Okay, let's go over this item here. This is by Winky Lux. It is their Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $16 and I hate it. This is the item that I went through the box looking for, because I was in the process of moving into an apartment and I couldn't find my eyebrow stuff. So I was like, ooh, I have one in Fab Fit Fun. I know I do. So I went through it to use it and I hate it. There's a spoolie on one end, which is very nice. And then you have your pencil on the other side. It's supposed to be like a triangle shape. I don't like the pencils with the triangle shape. I don't understand them. I'd rather have something tiny and pointy. But the problem with this is it is so dry that it just does not work very well. Actually, wow. Nope, it's still super dry. I mean, I'm not pushing super hard and I'm getting decent strokes and stuff, but there's no creaminess to it. It's very hard, and when you're putting it through your brows, it just feels like it's tugging super hard at them, and it doesn't go on as like seamlessly as I feel like an eyebrow pencil should. I hate it. This is definitely not a product for me. Moving on to the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. It looks like similar to a beauty blender. This retails for $20, so same price as a beauty blender. Okay, so this has silicone on it. It says the applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. Ooh, that's really cool. It feels quite hard, not as like bouncy as a beauty blender. I mean, obviously it might be different when you wet it down. I love the color of it though. And then there's your silicone side right there. That's pretty neat. I've never used a silicone applicator before, and I'm not sure exactly how to use it. Do you use that to put your foundation on? Or I'll have to look into that more. I might do a video testing this out. I like the concept, I like the color, and even if the silicone part doesn't work, as long as the sponge part works pretty good, then I'll be happy. Next up, oops, this is the Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. It says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. This retails for $42. Wow, that sounds like a nice concept with, summer rolling around. There's like no smell to it. Well, no, there's a hint. There's a hint of aloe in there. I can barely smell it. I'm assuming though, just after you're in the sun. Yeah, it says botanical after sun spray. So after you're in the sun for a while, this will just be a nice cool me down, make my skin feel good kind of thing. I'm not sure, never heard of such a thing. Next thing is by Silked. It is a satin pillow sleeve. So it's just a pillowcase. It's a silver tone. This retails for $29.50. Oh, so you've got the silky side and then you've got another soft cloth side. It says swap your pillowcase for the silk one, which helps prevent bedhead and creases on the skin. I've actually recently purchased a silk pillowcase for that reason because I heard it's supposed to be good for your skin, but mine goes like, you know, has a wraparound. This one just seems like it's just kind of a sleeve. Yeah, this one's open-ended. Oh, I guess this is supposed to be an anti-slip back. It's very soft as well because I always tuck my hands up underneath my pillow, so I mean that'll be nice to kind of pet. I don't know how I feel about the double open-ended, but I do love a nice silky pillowcase for the skin, so I think that's pretty cool. Let's get into this bad boy. This is from Pottery Barn. It's a Mason ceramic diffuser in Solstice. So let's open it up. Okay, so I've got it all put together. It's really cute little container. These are still strapped together. I'm not gonna let them go yet. And then it came with the oil that you diffuse. So on the directions, all it says is add the oil to this thing and then it'll disperse or whatever, and it'll start within 24 hours. The reeds will diffuse fragrance within 24 to 36 hours, but I don't know how much to put in. Do you put in like a few drops, a capful, the whole bottle? I don't know because it doesn't say. And I've never used one of these before, so somebody help me because I don't know. But this is really cool. I think it's neat. It's a cute little decoration piece, plus it makes your house smell good, so that's cool. Next we have a Business and Pleasure Company cooler bag. Oh, also that diffuser retails for $59. So I got a cooler bag. This retails for $59 as well. It's a cooler bag that keeps food and drinks cold and crisp. It's a really pretty, like, not quite mustard, but not quite like bright yellow color, you know. A little strap. It's adjustable. Then you've got your other little handle. Buttons. It's all cloth. I like how flat that it folds down, so when you're done with it and not using it, you know, that's nice. And then the inside is just your plain insulated gray color. There's no pockets or anything. It's pretty decent size though. It's pretty big. You could definitely hold a few drinks, maybe a sandwich or two, whatever. It's very cute. Whatever. I'm not like pumped about it, but I don't hate it. Okay, then the last item in the box is by Spongelle. It is a coconut verbena hand cream. This retails for $18. It's supposed to nourish and hydrate your hands. It's got hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. I always love having lotions. I actually needed a new small one. I always carry one in my purse, so I needed a new one to replace my other one. And this smells heavenly. It's like a mixture of coconut and vanilla. It's not super overpowering like some lotions can be, like the punchy in the nose fragrant. It's just a nice dainty little fragrance, and it feels very nice on the hands. So overall, I don't know how I feel about this box. I don't hate it, but I'm not like over the moon about it. I feel like there's better boxes that I've received. Oh, I did get another thing. So FabFitFun has a, I don't remember what you call it, a thing where you can buy things like a store. It's like you can buy all of these items pretty much. I mean, not all of the items, but or items similar to this for way cheaper than what their original price is. So I ended up buying the Snap White Teeth Whitening Kit. It's cruelty-free, made in the USA, and vegan. I paid like $20 for it or something like that, and supposedly it's like $100 and something originally, so I'm not sure. I haven't really dove into it yet. I feel like I either want to do a video on it or something. So it comes with, looks like 2 syringes here of liquids. One's blue and one's clear. And then you have 2 trays, a little light thing, a holder, a case for the trays, a teeth whitening thing to see what number you are so you can track your results. That's pretty cool. And then the instructions in there. So this is the most exciting thing I think for me, because I wouldn't say my teeth are like super yellow by any means, but they ain't white. So I'm very excited for this. I really hope it works, and I guess I'll keep you updated. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on it or if I should just keep you updated. That is it for my summer FabFitFun. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Was this a good box for you? I like my items. I just feel like I've had better boxes in the past, so I'm kind of torn by it, but I still like FabFitFun. I think it's very cool. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions for subscription boxes that you would like to see in the future, please let me know. Other than that, we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.